All right, it's mid-July, which means we are not very far from the start of deer season, so it's time to start concentrating on those deer lanes. So I'm over here with a buddy of mine. We're gonna start working on cutting him a new shooting lane. Gonna use the old Kubota to get down in here and open it up for him. Maybe he can split the hair on something this hunting season. You can see right here it's pretty thick through here. We're going to come down through here and we're gonna open this lane up, give him another view down here towards an old pond. Got another lane over there. We're gonna be taking some stobs out, but got several things we're gonna do today. All right, so after about 30 minutes worth of work, this is what we've done. We've got that shooting lane right there taken out. Didn't mess with any marketable trees. And see where he's standing way up there? We're gonna take out those little saplings up there, get him a straight shot down here to this old pond. Just kind of clean up the sides here. All right, so after about an hour and a half of work, we've got him a shooting lane, man. This thing right here is kind of cleaned up real nice. There's a few other things, a few little things right here I'm gonna dress up before I get out of here, man. But you can see we really opened this thing up. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. So what I did is I just followed an old road that's down through here, and we did not cut any marketable timber. This is private property, and the customer said he was just go right on down that old road, and we took out the little saplings, and he's gonna hang him a stand down there, a feeder hanging out of that tree. It's gonna be out of that tree, hanging on that limb, and that way the pigs can't get into it. And he ought to be able to see some good old nannies right here split some hair. Now another thing we did was we opened up this shooting lane right here for him. So he's got that shooting lane, and he's got that one we just made. And then we're gonna go down through here, and we're just gonna clean this one up right here. And that's all we're gonna do here. And that's got a few stobs there we're gonna take out. I'm gonna go all the way down to the end, and I'm just gonna back drag all the way down and clean it up. And then what he's gonna do is he's gonna set him a box stand right about in here. And come opening day of deer season, he's gonna be able to split some hair on some old nannies. Maybe an old pig or two. Let's get busy. All right, got those stobs out of this shooting lane here, so clear. He shouldn't pop a tire now. That thing's looking pretty. Got him another shooting lane. We dressed this up. He's gonna come in with this box blade and clear all this stuff up right here that where my tracks were just moving up around. So he said ain't no big deal to him, so ain't really all that bad. But man, look at that shooting lane down through there. Boy, man.